Hey guys, Logan with Enduro Engineering. I'm here with the XC Gear Enduro Engineering Husqvarna Race Team Manager, Napper, and we have a new product here at Enduro Engineering that is directly related from the race team, which is kind of cool. Some products that we make specifically for the race team we're now going to make available for the public. So here is a water pump guard. It's going to be available for the 250 and 350 four-stroke models of Husqvarna, KTM, and GasGas. Now, if I understand, Brock had some issues that we ran into, which is the reason why we have this guard.
Yeah, he actually ran into a couple issues. One was at an Enduro. It was kind of rocky there. He had to crash, and the way he fell on that, rock kind of came in and hit the radiator hose right above the outlet of the water pump. So that was one of the issues. And then another time he was just out play riding, trail riding at his home in Pennsylvania, and he took a stick at about the same exact area and cut the hose right there. So I went back and talked to two whiz-bang guys in the back, Tyler and Nick, and said, hey, we need to come up with another guard, if we could, for the 250 and 350 four-stroke KTM, Husqvarna, and GasGas. And this is what they came up with. So the guard actually protects the hose where we've been having issues by the outlet, and then also we added a little bit more on there to give it a protector there too. So if you do fall on its side and stuff, it will not wreck the water pump cover itself. And that's a new product from us, part number 271016.
Yeah, it's available today. If you would, go to enduroeng.com and order yourself one up, or give us a call at 517-393-2421.